Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start at the front header because that controls tension and alignment. Release the two header latches first. Once done, unclip interior trim pieces to expose the mounting bolts and pull the side bow pins straight out. Do this gently so you don't bend studs. You should have the top loose at the windshield header now. Make sure to keep fasteners in a labeled container. This prevents confusion when you reinstall the top later. Now you work through the middle where alignment and fabric tension matter most. Remove the screws holding each bow and support the bow so it doesn't snap back and damage the fabric. Once a bow is free, slide the fabric out of the channel, keeping track of orientation and order. This preserves fitment. Next, unzip or unsnap the rear glass while folding the top forward slightly so the center section clears the roll bar. This prevents tearing and helps the finish at the rear. Unbolt the rear hem bar and lift the fabric away from the roll bar and rear frame rails so the top comes free. Once removed, inspect all seals, fasteners, and bows for wear, and photograph part placement for reassembly. If something binds, slow is better than force. For example, a stuck zipper benefits from a silicone spray applied sparingly and patient back and forth work. Finally, store the top flat to avoid permanent creases and damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.